We are learning to end our sentence with different punctuation. We can use different types of punctuation at the end of our sentence to give it different meaning. A full stop is used to end a normal sentence. A question mark is used when someone is asking us a question. An exclamation mark is used to add expression or excitement in our writing. Here are some examples. I have used an exclamation mark at the end of this sentence to add expression. The explosion was massive. Here I have used a question mark. This tells the reader that I have asked them a question. Do you want to play a game with me? We can see that when we use a full stop, an exclamation mark, and a question mark, that at the bottom of each of the three is a full stop. This means that it is the end of our sentence. Because it is the end of our sentence, this means that our next sentence needs to start with a capital letter. I have had a good day, full stop. Capital S. School was fun. I love to go swimming, exclamation mark. Capital I. It is my favourite sport. What time is it? Question mark. Capital I. I have to leave soon.